Hello, welcome back to Ingridjoyaromas. I just want to show you a quick way again how to make another room spray, as people been asking me. Can you show me how to make a quick and easy room spray? So let's go. So I have my gloves on, I have my bottle clean. You know, you can go ahead and make a little label for this to see what oil you're going to be using. So let's go ahead and use this Christmas spice. I love this one. I use this in candles and room sprays. I mean, you can use this in anything you want as well. So let's get our water ready. About that. And I'm going to go ahead and put some azel. I want this to be strong, so I'm going to put about 25 drops in it. 1, 2. Then you cap it. Shake it, put your labels on, and this should settle down sometime soon. I know it's cloudy right now, but it should settle down soon. Just put your label on it and you're ready. Your spray's ready. Thank you for watching.